What's up, you guys? Welcome back. Today I'm super excited because we're gonna be doing a full face of Dollar Tree makeup. These are some of my most favorite videos to film for you guys because y'all know I like a good deal. I love drugstore makeup, but honestly, like if you're gonna go to the drugstore and buy a full face of makeup, you're still gonna probably end up spending like $70 to $80, like from primer to lipstick, like and everything in between, where at the dollar store you can literally get a full face for like $15. So it's an incredible difference. And my Dollar Tree got some brand new stuff, so I was so excited. I am also so pumped because I am doing a huge giveaway in today's video. I have been planning this for a while and I can't wait to announce it. I'm actually already starting to plan giveaways for the holiday season, but I wanted to make sure that I did one beforehand because I didn't want to have to wait all the way till then for you guys. So for today's giveaway, I'm going to be giving away thousands of dollars of new makeup to 2 of you guys. There's going to be 2 winners. I'm going to pop pictures of both of the prizes on the screen right here so you guys can see the prizes. As you can see, this is not dollar store makeup, it's mostly high-end stuff, and I cannot wait. So like I said, there's gonna be 2 different winners. You can live wherever to enter. You do not have to live in the United States. As long as I can send you makeup, you can enter to win the giveaway. The rules to enter are super easy. I will have everything listed down below in the description box, as well as links to everything. But basically, all you have to do is be subscribed to this channel, which hopefully if you're watching this video, you're already subscribed. But if not, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell to be notified of all of my future uploads. You also need to be subscribed to my vlog channel, which is Kelly and Steven. Again, there'll be a link in the description box. And then just follow me on Instagram. My handle is @KellyStrackOfficial, which will also be linked down below. Everything is linked down below. How many times can I say it? And if you don't have an Instagram, it is free to create one, so it doesn't cost you any money or anything to do so. And then just leave me a comment down below letting me know the best way to get in contact with you. So you can leave me your Instagram handle, your Twitter handle, really anything that I can direct message you on, or you can leave me your email, however is easiest for you for me to be able to contact you. Just let me know that down below in the comments so I can contact you if you win. So yeah, subscribe to this channel, subscribe to my vlog channel, follow me on Instagram, and comment down below how I can contact you. I'm gonna let this giveaway run from 2 weeks from when I'm uploading this video. I'm not sure on the exact date that this video is gonna be uploaded, but the giveaway will end 2 weeks from the upload date of this video. So get excited, be sure to enter, and like I said, more giveaways are coming, so yay! All right, enough blabbing. Let's go ahead and get started with the Dollar Tree makeup. All right, you guys, first things first, we're gonna go in with primer. This was actually one of the first times that I was able to actually find primer at Dollar Tree, because I've done a couple of these videos in the past, but I could never find primer, so I'm super excited about it. This is from LA Colors. I feel like LA Colors is one of the most common brands they have at Dollar Tree, and this is the Smoothing Face Primer. So it's in the shade Cool Pink. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. This reminds me very much of the packaging on, like there's like a Maybelline concealer or something that looks just like this, except it has like lip gloss packaging, but it doesn't really matter to me. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it on my skin, and I'm gonna just go and work that in on the face. Ooh, it has a nice like fresh kind of scent to it. I like that. It is making my face a little like red, I feel like. Like it definitely is tinted like with that pinky tone. And I already have a decent amount of redness in my face, so I'm not sure on that. They did have another one there which was yellow. I forget what that one was, said it was supposed to counteract, but this one said smoothing, and I normally like smoothing face primers. Oh, actually I feel like it's like morphing into my skin, like it's less pink now, so it's starting to blend into my skin, which is fine. But for $1, I really can't complain. All right, now up next for foundation, I was so excited. You guys should have seen me in the store. Like I was so hyped for this foundation. It's honestly probably a little dark for me, but I figured that we could make it work because I did buy a lighter powder to set it with because I had to get this. This is the Hard Candy Just Face It One Step Foundation. You guys, Hard Candy is a good brand. Back in the day, Hard Candy used to be actually sold at Sephora, and now you can get it at Walmart. I thought that it was Walmart exclusive, but I guess they do have it at Dollar Tree as well. This was the first time I had ever seen anything from Hard Candy at Dollar Tree. And there was just this one rogue foundation. It was literally all by itself. There was only one of them, and this is the shade Medium Tan, so I had to get it because I was like, I'm not passing up Hard Candy. I will make whatever shade work. So I was really, really excited to see this for only $1. Like, what the heck? I want to look it up and see if they actually sell this at Walmart. Oh my gosh, they do sell it at Walmart for $13.99. And we got it for $1. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm really pumped. I'm gonna go ahead and open it on up. What the heck? I did buy a blender. Let me find that. Here is my little beauty sponge. This is from Sassy and Chic, so I am gonna go wet this. I haven't had amazing luck with beauty sponges from Dollar Tree in the past, but this one does feel a little bit softer than ones I've used in the past, so I'm like, okay. All right, this is definitely different than the one that I have used in the past because wetting it made it significantly bigger, where I feel like the one I used in the past, it didn't get much bigger when I used it, so I'm excited about that. It does feel relatively soft, so let's see how these guys work together. Gonna go in with this first. It has a pump. All right, gonna go on my face. I don't really know what the coverage on this is supposed to be, but that's about 2.5 pumps. It does have a relatively strong scent to it. Oh wow, wait, I'm looking on here right now. It says Flawless Foundation in a Flash. This is supposed to be a one-step foundation and it's supposed to be a primer, concealer, foundation, and powder. That's a lot for $1, but we're gonna go in and blend that out. It has a similar scent to the Wet n Wild foundation. Kind of a little bit like paint, but like I could get past it, you know? It's actually giving me a relatively nice coverage too, so I can't complain about that. And the color isn't as off as I thought it was gonna be, so I'm happy about that as well. And this blender sponge is working better than I expected. Better than the other ones that I've tried in the past, so I can't complain. I'll put it to you guys this way. This was $1, a beauty blender is $20, and a beauty blender is not 20 times better than this is. All right, so far I'm pretty dang impressed. Up next for concealer, I literally went to 5 different Dollar Trees, you guys, in search of concealer and could not find concealer at any of them. I don't know if Dollar Tree has like stopped doing concealer, like they don't offer it anymore or whatever, but none of the Dollar Trees had it. So this foundation does claim that it is a concealer in and of itself. I don't think I need concealer like around my face anywhere with this foundation, but I do need a little bit under my eyes. So I am just gonna jump in with some e.l.f. Camo concealer. This is $5, so it is an affordable concealer still. It is not $1. I'm sorry about that, but I am just gonna jump in with a little bit of this. Everything else I have a product from the Dollar Tree for. This was just the only product that I unfortunately couldn't find. So I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of this underneath my eyes and just in the center of my face to brighten. But I promise everything else will be Dollar Tree. They do sometimes have e.l.f. products at Dollar Tree, but no e.l.f. concealer, unfortunately. But I'm just gonna go and blend this out. I will say this side of this blender is much bigger than the Beauty Blender, so it is a little bit more difficult to get into like the little crevices underneath your eyes, but you can certainly make it work. I'm just gonna pat that all down. All right, moving right along. Up next, I'm gonna go in with this pressed powder. This is from Beauty Benefits Hollywood. I'm not sure what the shade on this is. I don't think it says. Oh, but I do see on the back here, it's made by Markwins, which I think they make Wet n Wild. So I mean, it has to be pretty good because I love Wet n Wild stuff. So I'm gonna go in and use this powder. I originally bought this powder to use all over my face to like tone down the foundation, but I don't even think we need that, but I'm gonna use this powder to set my under eye area and where we just concealed. So I'm just gonna go in and apply this to the under eye area and anywhere that we used that concealer just to set that in place. And again, the foundation does claim that it's a powder in and of itself, that it doesn't necessarily need a powder, so we're gonna roll with it. This is actually definitely pretty brightening for the under eyes, so I like that. Alrighty, now up next for brows, we have this LA Colors brow pencil, and this is in the shade Soft Brown. I was really excited because in the past I could never really find a brow pencil that was my shade at the dollar store, so I always had to buy like eyeliners, which I mean essentially they work the same, but I was happy that I actually got a brow pencil this time. It does have like a little brush that you can use as a little spoolie to get everything in place. And I'm gonna go in and line my brows with this. Ooh, this color is actually pretty good. It's like a lighter brown, which is exactly what I wanted. And it's not an overly waxy formula. Like sometimes some brow pencils are like very, very waxy and it just can make your brows look like super not natural at all. But this one is pretty good. Like it has enough wax in it to keep your brows in place, but it's not gonna make them look fake. So I like that. Just working it through the other brow now. All right, brows are done. Okay, now for eyeshadow, I picked up this little quad. This is from LA Colors. I thought the colors were really, really nice. And it's actually called Nerd Chic. I like it, I like it. It reminds me a lot of the little quads that Wet n Wild has. Definitely a similar vibe, and it has little numbers in it, like telling you how you can apply the product. Like it says like 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm not gonna necessarily go by that. I'm kind of just do my own thing. I do think though I'm gonna jump in. I have this powder bronzer that I got for all over my face from LA Colors. I'm gonna jump in with this in my crease first, because this is just like a medium toned kind of brown right here, where a lot of these colors are a little bit deeper to just go directly in with. So I'm gonna jump in with this first and then we'll jump in with the eyeshadows. But definitely don't be afraid to use bronzer or blush or highlight or anything like that on your eyes. Most of the time they work the same as eyeshadows do. Yes, this is like a perfect shade that I needed for my crease. I actually use bronzer in my crease like quite frequently. It's kind of like, you know, contour, like you're contouring your eyes instead of your face. This is blending really nice too. Now I'm gonna jump in with number 2, and I'm gonna add that into the crease to begin deepening it up a little bit. These colors have a little bit of like a rosy undertone to them, which is really pretty. I like that. And they're honestly blending really easily, like I can't complain. And then I'm gonna jump in with 3, which is a little bit of a purpley shade, and buff that in before we go in with the deepest color, which I'm gonna kind of focus just on the outer corner, but I am gonna bring this shade all the way in the crease. For $1 shadows, these honestly blend really well. Now I'm gonna go in with shade number 4. This is matte and it is the deepest color in the palette. And I'm gonna pack this on the outer corner just to bring some depth out there. And then we are gonna bring this on the lower lash line as well. I'm first gonna just pack the color down, then of course we are gonna go in and blend it, but I'm gonna just pack the color first. I'm just buffing it on that lower lash line as well. Then all over the lid, I'm gonna go in with shade 1. I am gonna dampen my brush a little bit so we can give it the most pigment as possible. That's a little tip. If you want a shadow to show up a little bit more pigmented, just dampen it with some water, or you could use like a setting spray or anything. It's gonna help to adhere it better to the eye. Oh my gosh! So pigmented. See? Wow. Obsessed. Dang, I was not expecting this to look this good. I'm gonna bring it into my inner corner too to keep that nice and bright. Dang, this looks really nice. And then just doing the same thing on the other side. Wow. This literally looks like a high-end shadow. Like, what the heck? All right, obsessed with that color. I'm gonna bring it beneath my brow bone as well, just to highlight that. Very impressed with this eyeshadow palette for sure. Alrighty, up next for liner, we have the LA Colors liquid liner in the shade Black. So we're gonna go in with this. I think it's a brush tip. Yes, it is. It's a very nice brush tip, which I like. I feel like brush tips are pretty easy to work with, so. I'm gonna go in and we'll do a little winged liner moment with this. Boom, just like that. Watch me like completely mess it up now. No, I actually did a decent job. This is definitely really pigmented too, which is great. This actually reminds me a lot of a liquid liner I used to love from, it was called NYC, like cosmetics. And they stopped making it, but I really used to love their liner. And this reminds me a lot of that. It has like a very similar formula, similar brush, like applicator. This is definitely a good alternative to that if you used to love that. Up next we have lashes. Thank goodness they can hide my falling off lash extensions. But these are from LA Colors. I thought these looked really nice. They're the style Dolly and they're the Dramati Lash. So we're gonna go in with these. Gonna go in and pop this bad boy on like so. These are super light on the eyes, which I like a lot, but they do add like drama still, but they're not heavy at all. And I'm gonna just pop the other one on as well. Up next for mascara, I got the LA Colors Wowie mascara. They actually had a ton of different mascaras, so I decided to go with the Wowie one because it said it was new, so I was like, okay. Ooh, okay, so this one has a curved brush, as you guys can see, pretty cool. I'm gonna go in on my lower lashes. I don't know if I should go in like curved part like this or the other way. Try it with the curved first. See how that works. I feel like the other way will be better. It actually allows you to really get in there because you can use that like front curved part. So that I like. I wouldn't say it's doing a ton for my lashes, but it is coating them and making them darker, but I wouldn't say that it's really giving them much length or volume or anything like that. I will say the more you build it up, it will like do a little bit more to define your lashes, but it is a little bit messy, like it's going beneath my lash line a lot. I mean, partially that's my fault because I did have to do like a lot of coats. So this is like the one product that I'm like, maybe you could skip on it. Like if you spend a little bit more money, like $5, you'll probably be able to get a much better mascara. I'm not like crazy about this one, but it is usable, of course. Alrighty, now to finish off the face, we're gonna go back in with that LA Colors bronzer. I'm gonna just go in and bronze the skin up with this. It has a little bit of shimmer to it, but nothing like crazy. And the foundation is still looking very good, so very pleased with that. And this bronzer is really nice too. I'm gonna kind of focus it like on a 3 motion on my face just to get that natural contour look. Natural, as I put on a pound of bronzer, but you guys know what I mean. Then I'm gonna go in with this LA Colors blush. The shade on this is, does it say? Oh, Peach Rose. And I'm gonna go in with this on my cheeks. This does have a lot of shimmer to it, as you guys can see, but I don't necessarily mind it. I feel like it looks nice. You want a little glitter moment, you know? It actually looks really pretty. I like it. For highlighter, I'm really excited. This is from Beauty Benefits Hollywood, and this you get 2 different highlights. So I was like, dang, for $1? This is in the shade Starlight. It looks really nice. We have 2, so I'll swatch them for you guys. That is the first one, looking good. And then that is the second one. So this one is definitely lighter, and then there's a little bit of a deeper one. I'm probably just gonna mix my brush into both because why the heck not? And we will go in. Yes, honey. Oh my goodness gracious. She is blinding. Wow. $1, you guys. Literally $1. What the heck? You do not need to spend a lot of money to slay. And this is absolute proof. Like, what? I'm literally dying. And now for our lip, I got this really cute little duo thing. So this is also from LA Colors in the shade Charmed. So it's a lipstick and a lip gloss. And I went with like a little fall color. They have this in a bunch of different shades, but I decided to go with something a little fall-like. So we're gonna go in with the lipstick side first. And apply. Oh, smells really good. It has like a, what is it, bubblegummy kind of scent? I like it. This is definitely coming off a little bit lighter than I thought it was. I thought it was like a deeper color, but I still like it. And again, they did have a lot of different options. Very pretty. And now I'm gonna go in with the lip gloss side. Let me close this or I'm gonna end up like getting it all over my hand. So now we'll go in with the lip gloss. Ooh, yeah, see the lip gloss adds that little berry tone, which I like. It smells literally just like bubblegum. If you like bubblegum, you'll love this. And that just adds a little bit of glossiness to the lips. All right, you guys, so that is everything. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I am honestly like so impressed. Like this look does not look like it only costs $15 for every single product. Like the only product that I really didn't like love or that I wouldn't recommend for you guys to like go specifically to the Dollar Tree to get is the mascara. I definitely think you can find better, but every other product I think worked great, especially for the price. Of course, when you're looking at makeup at the dollar store, you do want to check stuff like the expiration date and stuff like that, but you can absolutely find quality makeup for an affordable price there. And I really hope that you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. Don't forget about the giveaway. Be sure to enter. All the details will be linked down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and I'll see you very soon in my next video.